right, well, welcome back everybody to Days of Archery. So today is Halloween and I am in my costume. Or actually, maybe I shed my real costume into what I usually wear every day. Only I will know that. All right, so today the challenge is to hit a can that I have hanging at the 20 yards. It's an aluminum LaCroix can. And I also want to talk to you guys a little bit about how to hold your bow. A common beginner mistake is to get a death grasp on your bow. Usually on a modern bow, the way it's shaped, it's just so nice to just get a good hold of it and grasp it for dear life. But that is not what we want to do. In fact, think about it like this. When you hold your bow, don't hold on to it. Keep your hand open like this. You want as much pressure to go through the webbing of your hand as possible. I'm not grasping it to death. I'm not choking the heck out of it. Open your hand up. Draw back. Keep the pressure on the webbing right there as much as you can. Try to get it on this thumb pad right here. We're gonna open our hand like this. And when we release, if we don't catch it, it's gonna fly right out of our hands. And you know, that's why some people use a sling. They have a sling that attaches to their thumb and their forefinger, I think. So that way, they don't make the mistake of grasping onto their bow. When they release it, it doesn't fly out because of the sling. Now, I'm kind of a minimalist, and so never even use the sling. You'll see in a minute when I start shooting, what I do is I draw back. Keep in mind, I'm not holding on to the bow, just creating a strong rest, a strong arm that doesn't move. And right when I release, I just close my hand and I catch it with these fingers, like that. So let me demonstrate. Now, if you were watching closely, you saw that I had my hand open like this. And right as I let go, what I do is I catch the bow with these fingers. Well, that's basically the take home for today. I'm gonna make it short. I'm gonna shoot more arrows today and do less talking. Let's get 3 in the yellow on 10, and then we'll move on to the 20. Okay, feeling good. It's kind of moving on us. Okay, let's see if we can hit this moving can. Or maybe we should say, let's see how long it'll take us to hit this moving can. So like I said, I'm gonna grasp the bow by not grasping it. Keep my hand open and then catch it right at the end. All right, let's see. What if we hit this on our first shot? That's actually kind of close. There it goes, swaying back and forth with the wind. All right. Okay. I think we can hit this thing. It's gonna take a few shots. Okay, let's see. Gonna keep our hand open. Not quite. The can is moving a lot. Okay, well, we're gonna stick with a theme here of holding on to our bow by not holding on. Gonna catch it right at the end. Let's wait for this dude. Haven't shot in a few weeks. I need to start shooting at least 3 times a week. Really improve my accuracy that way. All right, here we go. Oh, that was close. So close. Nah. Yeah, gotta make sure I'm aiming. Gotta have the patience. Oh, so close. Come on, let's get my inner Viking out. Let's hit this can. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Well, we're done with today's session, I guess. That was the plan. You got it. Yeah, we'll just shoot the last 3. Don't matter if we hit the can or not. Gosh, that's so good. You know what? I'm just not gonna shoot anymore. 2 in a row, hitting the can. Yeah, that's it for today. Well, you guys have a great day. Get out there and sling some arrows.